Oops, sorry. There you go. Russians love these, they actually appreciate them. He's coming. You see? They talk to them, they appreciate them, respect them. And now guys, this is world's biggest food mall. I think there are bigger food malls, but this exactly is probably because it's combined. It's not just food mall or like restaurants. This place has a lot more than just that. Check out my video where I visit this spot. inside. And check out the video where I try it out. Depot, biggest food mall, link in the description. Ooh, you got a second floor, but it was closed. Got some Chinese restaurants, I guess. Chin Chin. Look at the spot over here. It's amazing. So clean. And once again, this Frank restaurant by Busta, rapper Busta, is everywhere. Awesome names. Hype Station. Let's get some hype. If you want some hype, we need to get inside and order number 10. And then we have some crabs. Oh man, Moscow is absolutely amazing. Amazing. Preparations for the summer. They're gonna have terraces and all here. And the entrance into the Moscow depot is here. But I'm gonna go around because I did the video inside already. Or explore it all. Check out this house. So I'm gonna do the outer walk right now because restaurants are located also here, guys. Wow, check it out. You look perfect tonight. Tonight or today. What's up, everybody? Haha. This is how I walk with all my stuff. And then you get a cramps and all for the evening. Who is this here? Revolutionary. Shepetilny. I cannot read it. And here is for the participants of the Great Patriotic War and workers in honor of 60 years of victory. Man, love it. Lessnaya улица, Lessnaya, not Lessnaya, Lessnaya. Oh man. Irish pub for 2002 is here. Russians, there's a lot of Irish pubs and bars opening up lately. The sound of a dog is not from this one. Ah, it's a groom, what do you call that? Groomery. And the depot here is on the right side. Not far from here is actually well, not far, I mean right next to it is the university. University building. Last time I was here, it was 8th of May, I think, and it was, believe it or not, it was snowing hard on that day, like majorly. And I have videos to prove it. Yep. And now this is end of March and the weather is spectacular. Spectacular. Первая Miusskaya улица. First Miusskaya street. Miusskaya. For ambience walks, where I'm not vlogging, I'm just filming the life in Moscow. All right, I think if we're gonna keep the theme of depot, we should go to the right, but I think we can walk straight forward, since I'm just gonna take a picture of this. Wow, it is beautiful, guys. Imagine in the summer, this is all blooming, blossoming and blooming, blossoming and blooming. And sorry if I didn't let you go into the depot. I think I would have wasted more time, because I have filmed it inside. It's cool, but it's a whole different vibe. I want to enjoy the city as well, guys. Can I have this right? Can I? It doesn't feel like this is Moscow. And this is like not far from the city center. This is central area.